Hello students. Students, now we are going to cover another topic, that is area of sector and segment. Clear? Students, you know about the sector and segment. We have already learned in the previous class, isn't it? So just recall what is sector, what is segment, and what are the areas of these two. Okay. Let us draw a circle. It's a circle with center O and radius R. We are now talking about sector. So what is sector? The portion or the part of a circular region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc is called sector of a circle. Okay. That means these are the two radii and this is the corresponding arc. So this portion, this shaded portion is called the sector of a circle. But this is small, that means this is called minor sector. And this full area is the major sector. This is called minor sector and this is called major sector. Clear? These two radii subtend an angle theta at the center. Clear? So we can write here area of the sector, or we can write here, suppose the radius OA, OB, and one point here P, one point here Q. Area of the sector OAPB, OAPB, that is area of minor sector, or we can write area of minor sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta upon 360, that means out of total or out of complete angle, what angle subtend by two radius at the center, that is theta. So theta upon 360 of total circle, of total circular area. So sometimes we write here as pi r square theta upon 360. Clear? Now what about the area of major sector? So area of major sector or area of OAQB, OAQB is equal to pi r square 360 minus theta upon 360. Clear? Now what is the length of arc? It is the arc. It is the arc. What is the length of arc of a sector? We'll write length of an arc of a sector with angle theta and radius r is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, because we are talking about arc. Arc, which arc? Part of the circumference, that means 2 pi r. Okay. So we will write sometimes 2 pi r theta upon 360. It is the length of an arc of a sector with angle theta and radius r. Okay. Now we call segment. What is segment? See, it is a circle with center O. So what is segment? The part or the portion of a circular region enclosed by a chord and an arc or corresponding arc is called segment. That means it is the smaller or minor, so it is minor segment, and this full part is called major segment. Clear? Suppose we have to find the area of minor segment and area of major segment. How we find? We just draw two radius here, A, B. Suppose here a point P and here point Q. Then area of minor sector is equal to area of this full minor sector. Don't confuse in sector and segment. We are going to write area of minor segment. So what is area of minor segment is equal to, that means we are going to find this area. This area, that means out of this area, if we remove this part, this triangle, we will get this part. Clear? So we write here area of minor segment is equal to minor segment, that means OAPB. OAPB. So what is area of minor sector minus area of triangle OAB. OAB. Clear? Similarly, if we find area of major segment, area of major segment is equal to area of major segment is equal to, that means we are going to find this part. So if we remove this part from the total area of circle, we get this part. Okay, so we will write area of circle minus area of this part, that is area of minor segment. Area of major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Clear? So students, pause the video to be noted down.